Hello guys, good morning, welcome to my channel. So I would like to show my XSR 155. So I bought this motorcycle almost 2 years ago from Yamaha Inabanga branch. Okay, so all I can say with this motorcycle is its engine is very strong and powerful. And since I bought this motorcycle, its performance is really nice and great. So I have no problem with this bike, and its suspension is great also. So it has a very nice play, and it's telescopic. The inverted fork is very good also, and the monoshock. So I have no problem with this bike, and its tires are still stuck. So I have also some upgrades with this bike, so especially with this one, the crash guard, and I have also extended this footrest. So if ever I have two back rides, and I put also the handlebar, I mean the back seat bracket. So I changed also the signal light with a more classic one. So that's very nice. It's a good looking side. What I mean is signal lights. Okay, so it's perfect. So this bike is perfect from Yamaha. So I have no problem with this bike ever since I bought this one. So it's a very good bike. It's a very nice bike from Yamaha. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.